Situated in the midst of the nation's Great Plains, Nebraska is a leader in U.S. agriculture and one of the largest exporters of corn, beef, and soybeans. But you'll find more than farms in the Cornhusker State. Nebraska has one of the most unique state governments in the country, a completely nonpartisan election system. What more? Nebraska is the birthplace of business mogul Warren Buffett, one of the richest people in the world. It is considered a business-friendly state, frequently ranked in the top 10 in the nation as a competitive, fast-paced hub of entrepreneurship, thanks to its tax laws, startup funding incentives, and business resources. Ready to grow more than corn in Nebraska? Here are the 6 easy steps you can take to form your Nebraska LLC. Step 1. Collect your information. Gather up names and addresses of all your LLC members. You'll need them to file your formation paperwork. Step 2. Choose a business name. You'll need a unique name that isn't already in use by another Nebraska business. Need some ideas? Incfile's business name search tool will get you started. Step 3. Designate an official street address. Make your business official and help customers find it with a Nebraska address. Incfile's virtual address service can help. Whether you're working from the office, home, or out of state, you'll be able to receive and read your mail from anywhere. Step 4. Name a registered agent. A registered agent is responsible for receiving all your business's important legal documents. When you form your LLC with Incfile, registered agent service is free for the first year. Step 5. Get an EIN, or Employer Identification Number. You'll need this to get business credit, submit payroll, and file taxes. Step 6. File your articles of organization with the Nebraska Secretary of State. Nebraska doesn't provide a form to submit, but Incfile can help you draft appropriate articles of organization. We know, it sounds like a lot of work, but if you're ready to form your LLC in Nebraska, Incfile is here to help. We'll handle all the paperwork for you with our $0 plus state fee Nebraska LLC.